Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video and to the channel. Alright, so today's video is special. Alright, so in this video I'll be showing you how to create your book and publish it in KDP. Now you all must be wondering, what is KDP? Amazon KDP is a place from where we can upload our book with zero investment. So you don't have to do anything, you just have to follow some steps which I'll be showing you today in this video. Alright, and it's with zero investment. If you like creating books, our topic is low content books. Alright, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create the book interior, the book cover, how to publish it, and what are the steps. So I'll be teaching you step by step. Also, if you want to do some marketing for your book, then the tools are different. You can research. Alright, so let's start. Alright, so as you can see, I'm in my Canva right now, and I have alright, so as you can see, I'm in my Canva right now. Okay, and I will type here notebook. Alright, we are gonna go with 8.5 by 11 inches. Alright, and if you want, you can create, you can click from here. Alright, but I'll just create a blank. I'll just show you. By the way, we will choose a template. Also, we will create a notebook by the template. Okay, I've already choose my template, but I will just show you. Okay, so first let's press Shift R in our keyboard, and let's add the margins so we don't have any problem during the publishing. Okay, because in KDP they have their own rules. Alright, so let's just add some margins to avoid the problem. Okay, and once your book is published, then KDP will send you an email that congratulations, your book is published, and all everything. And if your book is not published, then why your book is not published, they will send you an email also, so don't worry. Alright, okay, so for now notebooks, if you want to see any if you want to see any references, then you can search. But I'll just notebooks, I will be creating lines notebook only, so you can just do something like this and extend the lines. Alright, but this time I have already showed you how to use the blank template, but this time I'll just go to my design and I have select my template already. Okay, this is my notebook in interior, and I will just remove this thing. Alright, let me just fix the margins again. Alright, so in short, we are going to create a spiral notebook. Alright, and let me go here to the grid view and duplicate. So maximum our page will be around 24 or 30. Okay, so let me just duplicate it. Okay, but I'll just show you an add page. Let me create a blank template also. Let me go to lines and let me show you how exactly it works. Let me create the notebook design. Alright, so if you don't want to choose a design template from here, and if you want to create your own, I have given an example also. Alright, okay, so but for time being I'll just choose this one. Alright, and let me go to my grid view and let me duplicate this around 30. Let's make it around 30 pages. Alright, Alright, so I have prepared the whenever we have a book, we always have this page this book belongs to. So I've already added the page. Plus I have tried to make this page beautiful also with full of flowers. Alright, plus we have our blank page also, and there our notebook starts. Alright, so far I have 31 page. Let me just delete this around 30, and let me just choose rename this notebook KDP. Alright, and then once you are done, you can go to share and scroll down download and download as PDF. Good to go. Okay, while it's downloading, I would like to show you the examples of low content books, especially for KDP. So I'm right now in this KDP site. It's like a help article, help page, and plus topic page also. I will provide the link in the description. Alright, and here we can come to know the examples of low content books, notebooks which we are creating, planners, diaries or journals, prompt journals, logbook, coupon books, scorecard templates, grafting templates like scrap paper and etc. Blank sheet musics, also known as a manuscript or staff paper. Alright, so these are the low content examples provided by KDP. Okay, now let's proceed to create our book exterior. Right, so in here I'm in my booko.com site. Alright, I will provide the link in the description also. There is a tool called KDP cover template generator. I will click here. Okay, so this is KDP cover template generator. From here we will fill all the details. Okay, what is our book types? Choose either one or both. Now we are creating paperback, so we'll choose paperback. Our size is 8.5 by 11. Paper count, how much paper we have around 30, so let's just make it around 30. Okay, paper type, let's leave it into white, and we don't have to fill this informations, and you have to fill your email. Okay, once you already fill all the details, please make sure this box is there is a check and click email cover template. You can this is for the donation, but if you don't want, you can just choose maybe next time. Just please email me the template. Done. Alright, so we have our cover template. Okay, we have given 3 attachments: PDF, YouTube, general introduction about the book O site, and our PNG. So we need this one.